One of the things that I feel most strongly about is our dedication to quality, top to bottom in the organization, and all of our guys really buy into the quality product that we manufacture. I'm Gino Joseph. We're here in Azusa, California at Mortech Manufacturing Company. Always from the start, we've been a family business, and it's developed and increased over the years from 1983 to today. Here in Azusa, we have two buildings. The main building is roughly 42,000 square feet in total, and we do all of our sheet metal manufacturing, tubing structures, machining, basically kind of the bulk of our focus towards medical examiner office, things of that nature. And then we have a almost 31,000 square foot building that we do the walk-in manufacturing. Our employees, we've really lucked out to have long-term employees, which is pretty unusual in today's times. One fella is the first person that my dad ever hired. He's still working with the company today. So I would say from an employee standpoint, them buying into what we're trying to do, and them being here every day, and then staying with us for a long time.